Neck pain, stiffness, numbness in your arms, or even weakness in your hands, these symptoms can be caused by a damaged disc in your cervical spine. If you've been told that you need surgery, you might be wondering, do I really need fusion? Will I not lose movement in my neck? Well, what if you are told that there is a modern alternative that preserves motion and avoids the limitations of fusion? Total cervical disc replacement is one of the most advanced procedures for treating degenerative disc disease while keeping your neck flexible and mobile. Today, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about cervical disc replacement, when it is needed, how it works, its benefits, risks, and what to expect during surgery. Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind G. Kulkarni. I'm a consultant spine surgeon at Mumbai Spine Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Center. I operate at Breach Candy, Bombay, Saifi and HN Reliance Hospitals in Mumbai. I've dedicated my career to help people overcome spine-related conditions, and one of the most innovative procedures I specialize in is total cervical disc replacement. Unlike traditional fusion surgery, this technique preserves the natural movement of the neck while effectively relieving pain and nerve compression. Let's break it down step by step. Total cervical disc replacement or artificial disc replacement is a procedure that removes a damaged disc or degenerated disc in the cervical spine and replaces this with an artificial disc. Unlike spinal fusion, which locks two vertebrae together, disc replacement maintains mobility, flexibility, and a natural range of motion in the neck. The artificial disc is designed to function just like a healthy natural disc, allowing movement while providing stability. When is this particular procedure necessary? This procedure is not for general neck pain but is recommended for patients who have cervical radiculopathy, that is pinched nerve. A compressed nerve in the neck can cause sharp pain, tingling, or weakness in the hands and fingers. The next indication is cervical myelopathy. Certain cases of cervical myelopathy can be treated with cervical disc replacement. That is when a damaged disc compresses the spinal cord. It can lead to difficulty in walking, balance issues, hand coordination issues, etc. How does cervical disc replacement work? The surgery is performed to the front of the neck, that is anterior approach, similar to an ACDF, that is anterior cervical discectomy and fusion. But instead of fusing the bones, an artificial disc is inserted. Step by step, the procedure involves the incision, that is a small incision is made in the front of the neck. The disc is removed using the help of a microscope. The nerve is decompressed, that is the nerve is relieved from pressure. Then you place this artificial disc for that particular size of the disc. Then the skin is closed. The entire procedure takes about 1.5 to 2 hours and most patients can be discharged the next day. So what are the benefits of cervical disc replacement over fusion? Compared to traditional spinal fusion, disc replacement offers several advantages. It preserves natural movement. The biggest benefit is that it maintains normal neck mobility. It reduces stress on the adjacent disc. Since the spine remains flexible, there is less risk of degeneration in the nearby disc. Faster recovery. Patients typically recover quicker than those undergoing fusion. There is a less risk of future surgeries. Fusion can lead to adjacent segment disease where the levels above and below wear out faster. Disc replacement, because it maintains the mobility, reduces this risk. Improved long-term outcomes. Studies have shown that better long-term motion and function with disc replacement compared to fusion. So what are the risks and complications? While cervical disc replacement is safe and an effective procedure, there are some risks to consider. Artificial disc wear and tear. Just like knee or hip replacements, artificial disc can wear out over decades. However, modern designs last 20 years or more. Hoarseness or swallowing issues. Since the surgery is performed from the front of the neck, temporary throat irritation or voice changes can occur but usually resolve within a few weeks. As with any surgery, there is a small risk of infection or bleeding. This is mostly theoretical. Very rarely do you encounter cases of nerve damage. In my experience, I've seen none. Most patients recover smoothly without complications, especially when the surgery is performed by an experienced spine surgeon. What do you expect during recovery? In the first few days, patients may experience mild neck discomfort, swelling, or throat irritation. Walking and light movement are encouraged from day one. A soft diet may be recommended for the first few days. In the first few weeks, most patients return to light activities and desk jobs within 2 to 3 weeks. It is advisable to avoid heavy lifting, heavy impact activities, excessive neck bending. Pain relief is often immediate and magical, but some mild stiffness may persist. In the first 3 to 6 months post-surgery, patients can gradually return to full physical activity. Strength building and physical therapy can be recommended to improve posture and mobility. Most patients resume normal life without restrictions. Since fusion is not involved, the recovery period is typically shorter compared to ACDF. In summary, total cervical disc replacement is a revolutionary advancement in spine surgery that allows patients to recover from disc degeneration without losing mobility. For the right candidate, it offers better long-term outcomes, faster recovery, and a more natural feel than traditional fusion surgery. If you or a loved one is considering spine surgery, it's important to understand all your options. Make sure to consult with an experienced spine specialist to determine the best treatment for your condition. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and share it with anyone who might benefit from this particular information. Your spine health is important. Stay informed, stay strong. See you in the next video.